Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the C14A Snapchat error 2025 quickly and easily. So let's get started. First of all, double check your username and password. Make sure there are no typos, extra spaces or issues with caps lock. And if you've forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot your password and follow the instructions to reset it using your email or phone number. Next, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat and tap on update if it's available. And if the error continues, try offloading the app. For that, open your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage. Then tap on Snapchat and finally tap on Offload app. After that, reinstall the app. This removes temporary files that might be causing the error without deleting your account. Then, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can often fix login and connectivity issues that trigger the C14A error. Finally, if nothing works, reach out to Snapchat support through the app or their website. They can help you resolve account or server-related issues causing this error. And that's all for today's video. These steps should help you fix the C14A Snapchat error 2025 quickly and get you back to snapping. Thank you for watching till the very end, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.